Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing hiking in Pretoria, Groenkloof. So if you are ever find yourself in Pretoria and you don't know what to do and you like nature and things like that, this is the right activity for you. I hope you enjoy this vlog. As you can see, I already have my sun hat and everything, sunscreened and everything. So
it's not a game, it's a rich thing.
we are here. I just arrived and it's about 6:30. They open at 6, which is weird because I'm used to hiking in Cape Town, because in Cape Town by 6:30 to 7 you're actually coming back down from hiking, but here they open at 6. And yeah, and there aren't really a lot of people. I'm actually looking forward to it. I just wonder how different it is compared to the Cape Town one, but yeah, I already have my judgments. I think nothing can beat hiking in the Western Cape. So let me just show you a view of what is around, because right now we're in the parking lot. We have not started the hike yet. This is the parking area. There really aren't a lot of vehicles, as you can see. There aren't a lot of vehicles, so I don't know whether people are still sleeping or people are just not hiking today. So actually my first time here, and yeah, I want to see what the fuss is about, because I've only hiked in Cape Town, so I have not hiked in Gauteng as yet, and this will be my first time hiking in Gauteng. So this is going to be the first of many hiking videos that I'm going to be doing around the province of Gauteng, Pretoria, and the province of Gauteng, which is usually Pretoria and Joburg and Krugersdorp and things like that. So yeah, I look forward to creating more content around this area, and I hope you guys enjoy as much as I hope to be enjoying. So you can see we're doing the 10.5 kilometer distance, and it is starting right about now. This is actually my older sister. She doesn't want to appear on my channel. So we have just started. We are at the beginning of our hike. It's a little bit steep, so let's see how far it will take us. So guys, as you can see, we are still going uphill. I think I underestimated the take a bit. So let's go. I've been going uphill for the last 20 minutes. So I think I actually underestimated this hike. You can actually see the University of South Africa from up here. As you can see, let me just zoom it for you. That's the University of South Africa. So guys, so far I've only done 3.5 kilometers and there's 7 more kilometers to go. So let's continue. You see the university? You're seeing what I'm seeing? Those are actually zebras. Imagine. There's another one. There's another one. So guys, we have done 5 kilometers so far. We went around all this area that you see now. So I think this hike compared to the Cape Town one, because this one is a nature reserve, so it has its up and downs. Some areas are more flat than others, whereas in Cape Town you are mostly climbing up all the way. Whereas yes, sometimes you're going downhill for a while, then you walk straight for a while. Because you see, if you look at that route there that you see up there, we're actually coming from there. And we went all around the nature reserve, and that place where you saw the zebras, we went all around, and then we came back this side. Then we're going down, and then we're gonna go down there and around the mountain, or rather a hill as well. So let's continue. Those electrical lines, we still have to reach there and go there. So as we continue, electrical line I was showing you, here it is now. So 9 kilometers done, 1 more to go. Whew, I'm tired guys. Can you tell from my heavy breathing? Guys, would you look at that? Guys, would you look at that? We meet again with our zebra friends. There they are. I think you can't see them clearly because there was a fire here. Guys, would you look at that? Look at that. I think this big one is pregnant, eh? Look at that. They look like they are a family. Guys, this is beautiful, hey? Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look at that beautiful big bird. It is an ostrich. How cute. Hi, Miss Ostrich. You are so cute. And the meat is even nicer too. Oh, it's so cute. So guys, hi, it seems like this hike does not want to end. Do you see where I still have to go? Do you see those people there? And then you see those ones up there. I don't know if you can see them. I still have to go there. And right now I'm exhausted. Guys, we are still continuing. Look at the beauty of nature. Just look at that. Oh, guys, just like that, I have completed 10 kilometers. Although I still have 500 meters to go. But I'm so proud of myself. I don't think I'm coming back here, guys, because wow, even though it's not as hard as the hiking in Cape Town, the stones are too sharp. It's like, look at this, you're stepping on sharp stones and rocks. I fell and I tripped and fell a couple of times, so I don't see myself coming back here. No, thank you. Guys, just like that, I finished the hike and I see the horses are up. They were not here when I was going up in the morning. So I went up from here all the way up and round the hill and mountain. Yeah guys, like I said before, I'm definitely not coming back here. No, thank you. It's a beautiful place though. It's a beautiful place. There's a lot of things to do around here. Some people even come to do, you see there's a bright area that side. Some people come to do some horse riding and things like that. Oh, and I forgot to show you something. Look how full the parking lot is now. When we started in the morning at around 6:30, it was only a few cars, like 7 cars. But now the parking lot is full. The people in Gauteng are, I don't know the word. They prefer to start hiking so late, eh? Because in Cape Town by this time no one is up there. We've already come down because we start around 5 and around 7 we are done. But here the people now, they just woke up now, they've just started hiking. I really hope you enjoyed this hiking vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Ciao.